This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Mac is Intel-based and has enough space. Windows 11 needs at least 64 GB, but 128 GB is safer. Once done, back up with Time Machine so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, download the official 64-bit Windows 11 ISO and update Mac OS. Then open Bootcamp Assistant, point it to the ISO, pick a partition size, and click Install to start creating the Windows partition and installer. This kicks off the real work. When your Mac restarts into the Windows installer, you must select the Bootcamp partition. This directs Windows to install to that exact volume. Make sure to format that partition as NTFS if the installer asks. Formatting converts it to a Windows-friendly file system. Do not touch or delete Mac OS partitions. Once you start installation, Windows will copy files, reboot multiple times, and then continue setup. At the next boot, you'll land in the new Windows environment, where the final driver and configuration steps take place. Once Windows boots, immediately run the Bootcamp installer that the assistant placed on the Windows drive. This installs Apple drivers for keyboard, trackpad, audio, GPU, and networking. After drivers install, run Windows Update and reboot. That completes driver patching and firmware handshakes. If you want to switch OSes, use Startup Disk in Mac OS or the Bootcamp icon in Windows. If Windows fails to boot or drivers misbehave, reset nvram/smc or recreate the installer ISO/USB and restore your Time Machine backup if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.